In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear door torsion springs on your Troy-Bilt TB280ES lawnmower. I'll get started by removing the grass bag so I have access to the hinge pin that holds the door to the mower body. Now I'll open the rear door and remove the hinge pin. I'm just going to use a pair of pliers and walk the pin out the side of the mower. I've walked about ½ an inch of the pin out the side of the bracket on the mower. Now I'll just grab the pin with my pliers and pull it the rest of the way out. With the pin removed, now I can remove the rear door from the mower. Now I can remove the torsion springs from either side of the rear door assembly. The springs fit into a slot on the back of the door. I'll use a screwdriver to remove the spring from the tab around the slot, and the spring will come free. Now I'll install the new torsion springs back onto the door. There's a left and a right side torsion spring, so make sure you install the right spring on the right side of the door. The spring just fits back up into the slot and locks in place. Now I can reinstall the door back onto the mower. I want to make sure that I get the spring up over this tab on the back of the mower when I do this. And now I can reinsert the hinge pin to secure the door.